Hello everyone. In this video I will share with you how to solve Microsoft Office not opening, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint and others. Watch this video until the end. And pay attention to the little arrows to follow the steps. You just click Restart, and then you can try opening Microsoft Office again. Click Repair and wait for the process to complete. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe. And press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.